someone special, a special alum, to introduce you to today who wants to say a few words about his experience here at Misericordia. And this person graduated from Misericordia in 1983 and immediately moved to Alaska and did a number of different things. Was a teacher, a school principal, school superintendent, and then he got into government and ran for school board and then state senator, and now is the currently sitting Governor of Alaska, a Misericordia alum, and Mike Dunleavy. And Mike is here to speak to you today and just give a few of his thoughts about his experience when he was at Misericordia and maybe encourage you to come here as well. So it is my great pleasure to introduce you to Governor Mike Dunleavy.
Thank you, Dan. Welcome, everybody. Raise your hand if you're from Alaska. It's far away. I actually grew up in Scranton, Pennsylvania. Anyone from Scranton? Right, I went to Scranton Central before it was consolidated into Scranton. Yeah, there you go. So, I'm just going to tell you the experience about college. And this is, we come back to the East Coast a lot for our dealings with Washington, D.C. It's too complicated to get into, but long story short, Alaska has a relationship with D.C. and the current administration trying to get some things done up in Alaska. Has anyone ever been to Alaska? Man, right? Was it a good trip? Spectacular, right? Beautiful? Yeah, it's great. So, I grew up in Scranton, went to Scranton Central, graduated. I played basketball, was on the same team at the same time with folks like Mike Dunleavy, who later on played with Houston Oilers, Penn State, a whole bunch of friends. Long story short, I was looking for college. I initially went to Bloomsburg with the plan to play basketball, but just things kind of went sideways. And so, wanted to get educated. Really was focused on getting educated. I knew early on that not everyone at 6'7" becomes a pro basketball player, so you got to use your head. So, I heard about Misericordia. I came down to visit Misericordia. And what I was first struck by, and this is really important for not just parents, but for students that are thinking about coming to school. They're going to school anywhere. A lot of schools, their reputation is based upon weeding you out. In other words, making it difficult for you. We only deal with the best. We only deal with the toughest. And if you look at a lot of schools, and some of you that may have gone to college, it may resonate with what I'm saying, the idea there was to build up the reputation of the school as an elite school, a tough school, only the best survive, right? Well, that might work for the school in some ways, but it's not going to work for you. It's not going to work for your kids. And so, when I came here, what I was struck with is the customer service right out of the gate. And it's important for me to elaborate on this. So I come in, I go to register, it's kind of late in the year. And it wasn't like you have to come back, why are you late? It was like, let's sit down, let's help you out. They facilitated the whole registration process. They facilitated the whole dorm process. And lo and behold, before you know it, you're in school. So I didn't know much about Misericordia, but I got to know a lot about Misericordia when I was here. I did play basketball here, but more importantly, I gotta say, I don't have one negative thing to say about Misericordia. And I've been all over the world, I've been all over the United States. Right now, our University of Alaska, I put the regents on the board up there. We have a number of colleges in Alaska, a lot of good colleges and so forth. But if you're a parent and you want your kid to succeed, you want your kid to be happy, you want your kid to learn, you don't want your kid to be at a campus that you're worried about crime, you're worried about other things that are happening in the country today. That you want when you say goodbye to your son or daughter, and you start your way back home, you want to be able to say to yourself, they're in good hands. And that's what this place is about. Now, this place doesn't coddle you. It's got high rigor. It's going to expect a lot out of you. But at the same time, when you have a question, you need a little bit of help. You need a little bit of extra that in other places you wouldn't get, and you might end up having a miserable experience, or failing classes, or having a tough time. I never found that here. I found everyone helpful, from the folks that work in lunch and dinner halls, to the dorms, to just folks walking around campus. They were always facilitating something to help you out. And so the experience was very pleasant. you're able to get the focus on your academics. You get the focus on what you want to do with the rest of your life. And I'm not saying if you go here, you end up being a governor. There's a chance. But I would say this, as a parent, your kid will be in great hands. As a parent, you'll wonder if the cost of college is worth it. For us, it was worth it here. And by the way, my brother also attended at the same time. For a parent, if you want your kid to be safe, you can sleep at night. So there's a whole host of reasons that I think makes this campus different, this college different. And as the president said, they are bucking the trends. A lot of private schools all over the country are shrinking and disappearing. These guys have their act together. This is a college, this is a university that's growing, a private university that's growing, and there's a reason for that. And so I'll leave you with the thought that you're here today. This may be one of many colleges you're going to entertain. You're still in high school. Your friends will be talking about going to big colleges here or big colleges there, and they work for them. That's what they may want. But if you really want to go to school, that you're going to get a great academic, rigorous workout in the positive. But if you want to go to a school in which you're going to make friends that you'll have for the rest of your life, if you want to go to a school that you're not looking over your shoulder, you're worried about this, you're worried about that, this is the place. This is really, really a very good university. So I contacted the president. I haven't been back here in a very long time. We made a trip to Washington again, and we connected before this. I said, let me know if there's something I can do for the university. Let me know if there's anything I can do, because quite frankly, I've been out of touch for a long time just because of where I'm at. But in the end, I've never forgotten about Misericordia. And I tried to think, did I have any unpleasant experience here? And I haven't. No, none. And that, quite frankly, is remarkable for college today. So, if you're a parent, you're thinking about it at the university, you're thinking in the right direction. And if you're a student wondering if this is the school for you, this is a great place. This is a fun place. And your teachers, your professors, they're really, really going to make sure that they look out for you and your academics. And so, give it a thought. Glad you're here. Good luck, and thanks for allowing me a couple minutes to say hello. Thank you.